dear Santa, tell him I'm still holding on. No need for diamonds or trips somewhere in the warm. Oh, 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 I know that mistakes don't melt like the snow. But if there's magic, let the north winds tell him so. 'Cause I can only wait and pray that hope will call me. Realize he's awful lonely. The only gift of me is something to me. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. Oh, I love the mistletoe, and I hope his heart will know. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet.
I'm scared. Are we sure? Reverse. Forward or reverse? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. I've gotten robbed. I don't know what to do. Forward or reverse? Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm just gonna go forward. I'm scared. I think it's supposed to be drying me. Ah! I think this is right. What a janky.
Okay, I'm cold.
It's all wet. Shit. Lots of lights. Things are not going great this evening. It's raining. We got lost, but we made it. But we only have like 10 minutes. Either I leave and go pick up my little brother. That's okay. It's beautiful. It's just a little wet. Anyway.
Don't look at me, look at the camera. Just keep going. Keep it moving.
Okay, hey guys. I wanted to look at my Spotify Wrapped because I still haven't done that this year. So let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, hang on, I gotta remember how to screen record so I can show you what's going on. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. I guess replay. I never watched it though. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Cast beat. Am I listening to you just 22? That's funny. That's crazy. What's my number 1 song? Ooh, I'm gonna go Sleep Token. Yep. That adds up. $40 times, that's a lot. Interesting. My top songs. Listen to 17 albums. My top album is Even in Arcadia by Sleep Token. Yeah, well, that's up. That's funny. Crazy. That adds up. Dang. Okay. I guess I was just really into Baby No Money this year. That's up. That's so funny.
Thanks for listening to my music, guys. And to celebrate, we're gonna do a staring contest.
He's so precious.
Without you, I would be nothing. Thanks for listening to my...
That's so crazy. Interesting. Okay. I like the way they did it this year. Interesting. Cute. Crazy. Oh, was I not recording my face that whole time? Hopefully I was. Anyways, that was my Spotify Wrapped. You should comment down below who your top artist was, because I'm really curious. That makes sense. That adds up. Cass, hang on. I'm trying to recording. I'm trying to recording. Watch out. Can you jump down? Okay. Alright, I wanted to show you guys what books. I wanted to show you guys a little book haul, basically. So I wanted some fun Christmassy books for the Christmas season, and I honestly only got through most of one in the whole month of December because, as I've stated before, my work situation's kind of crazy. But I did get some books from Barnes & Noble for that. Cute. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay. Alright, first up, we have Love Light Farms. I've heard good things about this one. I'm trying to remember. I think I was watching Steph Bohr's reading vlog like 2 or 3 years ago when she mentioned this book, so it's been on my TBR for a minute for the holiday season. Here's another one. Work My Plans. Oh, I guess I could kind of even tell you anything about these. Okay, cute. It just says 2 best friends fake date to reach their holiday happily ever after in this first romantic comedy in the Love Light series. Okay, it's like fake dating. Anyways, that was this one. And then this one. Wreck My Plans. Alright, it says a sweet and spicy holiday romance between a spirited artist who returns to her small town for Christmas and her older brother's best friend, a serious architect who pushes all her buttons, but whom she can't seem to stay away from. See, that sounds cute. That sounds fun and cute. Sorry, I've got my cat just, whenever I start recording this happens, I swear. Cass, right there, honey, can you move? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, hey baby, can you scooting just a little bit over here? Thank you, baby. Here, you can still lay down there, just, no, it's okay. Just over there, yeah, good job, lay down. Lay down. Alright. And then, third book I got. It's called All Is Bright. Alrighty. Okay, this is a part of a series, it looks like. Return to Hope's Crossing this Christmas. A New York Times bestselling author Ray Ann Thane's latest heartwarming story of matchmaking at the holidays. And it says, years after a surprise pregnancy derailed her as a teenager, Sage McKnight has landed on her feet thanks largely to her parents, who stepped in to raise her baby when she could not. Now an ambitious young architect, okay, what's up with the architects? Working at her father's firm, she's taking on her most challenging and intriguing client in Mason Tucker, a former pro baseball player still healing from physical and emotional scars after a helicopter crash left him a wheelchair using single dad. Okay, yeah, interesting. Ah, don't bite me, that's not nice. Watch out. No, okay. Alrighty, and then last but not least, this is the one that I've been listening to the audiobook, let's be real, on the way to work and back home from work, because I don't actually have any time to read basically the whole month of December, but I really wanted to read these books. So, for December, for the holidays, right? Because they're Christmassy. Anyways, last but not least, Good Spirits. And my cat's just gonna have to be in the shot. I hope you guys don't mind. Say hi to Caspian. Cass, no. Anyways, this one says, fall in love with the ghost of Christmas past in this magical romance. But yeah, so it's basically about a girl and a ghost. Yeah, it's super cute. Very good. I will, once I actually read these, I can do like a little actually review talking about them. But yeah. My new books. These were fire.